Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Soya 65, a perfect vegan snack recipe inspired from the popular chicken 65. It's a crispy and delicious snack made with cooked soya chunks. In this recipe, I'm using small size soya chunks. So into a bowl added with some salt and hot water. Stir and keep it aside for 5-10 minutes. Then strain it out. Add some cold water on top. Then squeeze out all the excess water from the soya chunks and add it to another bowl. Now let's season the soya chunks. Add some turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala and some cumin powder, some salt, half lemon juice. Mix that really well. Then add in some ginger and garlic paste with some vegetable oil. Mix it. Then add the dry ingredients like rice flour, gram flour and some cornstarch. Mix it really well. And make sure all the soya chunks pieces are coated really well with the flour. After mixing it for 1 to 2 minutes, once all the dry flour disappears, it's ready for frying. We can either go for deep frying in oil. Here I'm using air fryer. Just brush some oil in air fryer. Add the soya chunks. And cook it at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. For chewy texture soya chunks, you can always reduce the cooking time, but I want it really crispy so that I can store them in an airtight container and have it as a snack. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.